Can we start the session?
The session.
Yes, can we start?
Yeah.
Everyone is here.
So now we can start.
Thank you.
Just one person come later.
Okay. Thanks for your confirmation. So this course is designed for the 5 days. In 5 days, what topic we are going to cover, we are going to start with that one. And then we can go for the details of the course. So after completion of this course, you are aware to do and manage the Excel data. So we will give you the idea what is the Excel data, why to use Excel data, and what benefit you will get to using Excel data. So that benefit we will talk about the Excel data using database. Then we will talk about the architecture of Excel data. Then we will talk about architecture of data. Then we have to talk about lots of things into database perspective. So why Excel data machine? Because Oracle have so many engineering systems like Zero Data Appliance, PCI, private cloud appliance. So those all are the engineering box. Got it? Apart from that, super cluster, so lots of engineering box. Why to choose Excel data? What benefit we will get from Excel data? That we will talk. Then we will talk about the complete initial configuration of Excel data database machine. Then we will talk about the how to migrate our on-premises database to Excel data. Because when you are going to work on Excel data, you are going to start with the scratch. Your application will start from the scratch. Your database must be running somewhere that you are moving to Excel data box. So how to move it, that we will talk. Then we will talk about how to configure the resource management. So RM concept we will talk how the IO resource management will be used in Excel data. Then how to monitor the Excel data. So for that we have a tool called IOLM that we can use, or we can use the cell command, or we can use the OEM. So there is a various tools available in Excel data which you can use for the monitoring and tuning purpose. So before starting the sessions, audience, what audience I am expecting into this training. And so this course is primarily designed for administrator who is going to configure the Oracle Excel data. So Excel data, in short, it is a pre-built machine. Like you are procuring the vehicle. Suppose you have gone to some showroom, you booked your car. After that, what happened? Your car will be delivered to you, and then you are just driving it. Am I correct? Same concept applied in Excel data. It is a pre-built machine from Oracle side. So our engineering team will configure the entire box and they will send to your data center. And then on your data center, it will be implemented. You have to manage it. Got it? That means you are not going to install the Excel data. You are not going to install the component on Excel data. It is a pre-built. Like when you are procuring the car, you are not going to purchase the steering. You are not going to fix the wheel. Those all are the company pre-built. Or take the example of this projector, or maybe this, whatever the thing we are procuring from market that is ready to use. Got it? So Excel data is coming like that, the same way. Here you procure it, we supply to your data center, you use it. So that's way Oracle do with the Excel data. So before going to this training, the participant must be having experience onto Oracle RAC. That is the prerequisite, because here we are not going to talk about the RAC thing. Got it? Then the participant must be aware about the ASM. Those, and plus the Linux command, because Exadata box is running onto Oracle Linux. So I hope as a DBA, you all are DBA here, so you must be aware about the Linux basic. I'm not saying to okay Linux admin or the mastering, but yes, L1 level task every DBA have to understand. So if any one of you is not aware about it, so definitely I will say go for these courses: Oracle Database Administration or the Oracle RAC Administration, then Clusterware Administration, ASM Administration, Linux, and then only this course will be 100% give you the benefit. Got it? So this course is primarily designed for the administrator who is going to configure the Oracle Exadata box. So it is dedicated for you. You can use it as per your convenience, and you are able to run the show as per your need. Now, what is in the course? It is a pre-built. Then what is our task? As a DBA, if it is supplied, so am I driver? I am driving the car. As per my example, I am driving the car. So no, it is not only you are driving the car, you know the engines, how it behaves. You know how my engine is performing. And most of that, you are the monitor who is monitoring your engine is working properly or not. So introduction, which right now going on. So we are talking about the introduction part. Then Exadatabase machine overview. We will give you the details analysis of Exadata box, how Exadata machine is working. Then we will talk about each and every component of the Exadata, starting with the database, then the cell, InfiniBand, got it? Hub, leaf, switch, those all components we will talk about the Exadata database machine architecture part. Then we will talk about benefit of Exadata and how Exadata can do what. So how much capable is Exadata to handling your business need? Any type of workload will be handled by Exadata, that we will talk. Then we will talk about the Exadatabase machine initial configuration. We will talk. We will not do it practically. Got it? Because it is pre-built, but let's understand how Oracle do this in the background. Of course, some component we are going to configure. Then we will talk about Exadata storage server configuration, which is done by us. Then IO resource management, which will be done by us. Then recommendation for optimizing database performance. We will give you the suggestion how you can get the best benefit from the Exadata box. After that, we will understand how a smart scan is working in Exadata. What is a smart scan? How it gives the benefit to the customer. Those things we will talk. Then we will talk about what are the options we have in Exadata and what is the recommended things to do in Exadata. Then we will talk about migrating database to Exadatabase machine. After that, we are going to talk about the how we can load data onto Exadata. So bulk loading we will talk. After that, we will talk about the Exadatabase machine platform monitoring, how we can monitor it. So introduction we will talk. Then we will configure the OEM. So configure the enterprise manager cloud control to monitor Exadatabase machine. So those things we will do. Then we will monitor the Exadata storage server, how to monitor the storage server. And this is the main task which DBA as a DBA we have to perform on day-to-day operation. This thing like the monitor the Exadata from the OEM or monitor the database from storage server. After that, we will talk about how to monitor the InfiniBand, how to monitor the Exadatabase machine component. So these all are the monitoring perspective. So as I say, we are just a monitor who is going to monitor how my machine is performing. Those things. After that, we will talk about the different monitoring tools. Then we will come on to the backup and recovery part. In backup and recovery, what type of backup we can perform with the Exadata, where to cap the backup, what benefit we are getting in Exadata backup, those things we will talk. Then how to do maintenance of the Exadata. Of course, it is a machine like car, you are going with the service station. Same way, this machine need to be also maintained. Got it? So if any issue you found, of course, I will guide you where is the issue, what type of issue you are finding, and accordingly you have to take the action. Got it? So Exadata is machine maintenance task. Of course, if hardware problem, if software problem, there is a different type of SLA we are maintaining in Exadata with the different type of services. So we will talk about each and every service which is applicable in Exadata. As a customer, you can choose what type of you want to maintain. Then patching Exadatabase machine, and finally Exadatabase machine automated support ecosystem. So these are the topic we are going to cover. Is the course agenda is clear to all of you? Good. So for more details, you can refer our page, so oracle.com/Exadata. Over there, you can get the more details of the Exadata homepage, Oracle Technology Network. So these are the some link which you can refer for the learning purpose. Got it? Of course, in this training, you will learn the Exadata on deep level. But apart from that, like the practice make a perfect. So if you need any help, anything, we have Exadata discussion forum. So on the discussion forum, you are able to post your query. Someone from the team will respond to you. We have the learning library. From there, you are able to do it. You are able to do from the oracle.com, etc. So those all the things you are able to do it. So I hope everyone is on the same page. Good. Now, as I have already introduced you about the course, so it's time to introduce yourself to the other students as well as to instructor, so we know each others and then we can proceed for the further. So you have to tell your name, your company information, your title, what is your job functions on day-to-day activity, then what is your job responsibility, then experience related to Exadata, the topic which you are learning, why you have enrolled for this course. That's the most important for me. And then what is your expectation from this training? So I will try to fulfill your expectation as per your demand. Got it? Based on the course. So who is going to start? Okay. System team leader you are. Okay. System admin team leader. Okay. So Exadata are you going to use for virtualization purpose? No. Because Exadata also virtualization is possible. Got it? Lots of customer we have who have taken the Exadata and then they have keep that Exadata on the virtualization platform.
We are not going to do that way.
Okay. So you are going to use completely for the database server.
Before we use IBM.
Okay. IBM which one?
IBM big system P on IIS.
Okay.
Yeah, and the storage is NM.
Good.
Before we can go to the storage, the reason for enrollment for this course. Because I want to have more knowledge how to manage the Exadata, how to monitor it, operate with our DBA.
So as you have given the input, rack, ASM, are you aware? Yes.
Currently we don't have any DB operate in the rack of this.
Because for getting the 100% understanding, this is the prerequisite.
Yeah, this we have very high profile used to run the Oracle on the rack, but currently we don't have.
Okay,
But
no problem. No
in the
problem.
past, we have.
No problem. No problem. So thank you. Thanks for introduction. Yes, sir.
My name is
Nayak.
Ian.
Ayan. Okay. Yeah, Ayan.
From Sweden.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm follow the DBA project.
Okay.
So that's why I joined this class.
Good.
Just that.
Oh, what is your expectation from this training?
Okay, because we have to follow and maybe later we have to push through, but yes, of course. So sure, us we have knowledge.
Good. Yes, sir. What do you? We have already discussed. Am I correct? We already discussed. Yeah, but it's better. We all can. Who? Yeah. So you are managing the team for database. Good. DBA team. Good. Accelerator system you are managing. Good. Thank you. Yes, sir.
My name is
Your name?
my name is
Leave. Yeah, I am sorry, guys, if I am taking your pronunciation wrong. Of course, I am from India, so it's very difficult for me to pronounce your name. But leave. Yeah. Okay, Sweetek. Solution manager, you are good. Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you. Yes, sir. Correct. Okay. Okay. So when you have learned Exadata? Okay, okay. I thought some experience you have on Exadata, you have a training on Exadata. That's good. Yes, sir.
my name is Tugan. I'm a security architect.
Security architect. Good. Okay.
This is the first time I'm joined class.
So first time you are in Oracle. Good. So welcome to Oracle.
I want to know about Exadata for my job.
Okay. Good. So that's good. Yes, sir.
I am
Your name?
I am
Team. Okay.
from the HB. My captain joined this class about stuff.
Okay. Good. Yes, sir.
My name is Juan.
Swang.
Yes, I am a data engineer.
Data engineer. Very good. Okay. That's good. Yes, sir. Good. So what is your expectation from this training? Okay, thank you. Ah, no problem. Sometime it happened. I have trained more than 12,000 people around the globe, so I am habituated for this. That's why I asked, is there anyone left?
Yeah. Apparently, one guy
Because
left.
we are aware.
He's the one.
Oh, that's good. But anyway, sorry. For me, it was very difficult for me. Yesterday, I was also in the training. Then after the training, got one flight from Mumbai to Bangkok, from Bangkok to another flight here. So it was entire night I was traveling. But somehow I reached it. And thank you, ma'am. So you pick up me. Otherwise, it was difficult for me to find everything. Yes, sir. Can you introduce yourself? Okay. So why you have enrolled for this course? So you want to become the architect. Okay, good to know.
Yeah, my name you.
You.
I'm DBA.
Okay. Good. So you all are aware about the madam, ma'am. They all are aware. So can you introduce yourself? Because everyone will know each other. So what happened? If somewhere we will meet, okay, we can say hi to at least. Am I correct?
Everyone wants to know.
Yes, everyone. So she is your training coordinator. She is going to manage the training for you, and she is the one who caught me from India to this place to give you the training. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's about the. Do you want to know about me, or should we continue?
We have a soft interaction.
Soft introduction. Okay, so as she has already told you about my name, so my name is Rajiv Jha, and I am having 20 some 18-year experience, so 2 decade experience into database technology.
So Microsoft.
Yes, so I am Oracle certified architect, I am Oracle certified expert. Apart from that, Microsoft certified DBA, Microsoft certified trainer as well. So that's about a short introduction about me. If you will talk about the company, so almost world's all leading company I worked. I joined Oracle. After a few years, I left Oracle. Again, I joined. So it's a life in IT industry. Of course, in your country, I'm not aware. But in India, we are very frequently we move from one company to another company. That I don't found in Europe. But anyway, it's good. So apart from that, so I'm primarily working as a manager database, as you told, sir, and for you, trainer. So if you can see here, trainer, but primarily as a manager of database technology. So I have my good team whom I can take care. So whichever the SR and other things you are raising, that will be taken care by the Oracle. Apart from that, I am the frequently speaking on to various forum where I speak in the Oracle Open Day, in the webinars, in so many places. About my personal life, so of course I love to drive, and I have two beautiful kids who is taking care of the taken care by my wife. So that's about me. I hope it's okay to you. If anything more you want, so during the lunch break, during the tea break, we can discuss and we can know each other in the better way. Okay. So this is, so in this module, we don't have any practice. Got it?